So now let's look at how you can set up your course materials or lessons for your students. So you log in. The first thing you have to do is you go to a classroom or topics, and then as a tutor or admin, you'll be able to access the courses or classes assigned to you by system administrator. So selecting RGN 20 and then selecting a semester, I'm giving all access to all the courses within that semester. So what you see here is the number of views per that particular topic. So for the topic, I have 59 total views, and then I can scroll through to see the individual students who has actually viewed that particular document and how many times they've viewed that document. So this gives you an insight as to how the activity on the topic is going. And I can also click on any of the topics to pop up the topic editor. Then I can make changes to the topic. I can make any changes that I want, change the time and or activeness of the topic. Or if I want to add a new topic, I only click on the plus sign, then it will give me the topic editor again. I can put in information that I want and then add a topic. So after adding a topic, the next thing is to attach material. So when you click on the attach icon, it will bring the topic attachment page where you'll be able to attach any material or view preview attachment. At that place, you can see the number of views per attachment. So when you click on it, it will show you that this number of students have viewed this particular material number of times. And then you can also edit or add a new attachment. So you can add PDF video and then attach the particular file type that you want to add as a learning material or attachment. So let's look at trying to do those things from scratch. So from the previous class that we created in the previous video, we can see that we have no topic available. So I click on the plus sign to get a new topic. I'll just type in something like general introduction to the whole course, and then I'll give a description and set the duration of the topic, and then the end and start and make it active for the student to be able to see it. So now instantly it creates a topic for me, and then I can make changes if I want, but it has no views. And then if I want to attach material, I just click on the attach button, and which will give me the topic attachment page where I can click on the plus again to attach any material that I want to attach. So let's say I have a PDF file, I pick it, I browse to pick the PDF file from my file system. So I'll select the PDF file from here, and then I'll just give a summary about the PDF file, any summary that you want to put to or want to give to the student, and make sure that the file is selected down here before you click on the upload. So after a successful upload, you see that the file will be attached, and then you can also click on the view or open to open the file to see the content of the file. This was just a trial test, so it's just some random scanned document that's used for the testing. Let's try to upload something else. So I'll click on the plus again. On the attachment menu, I'll select the PowerPoint as my material type. That's the material type PowerPoint, and then I'll click on add to browse for my file. I'll pick any PowerPoint that I want to add. Then I'll have to add a summary information to the document. This will be shown to the students before even they open the document, so it's important that you put something that is informative there. And then before you upload, make sure that you have the file selected down there. I'll click on upload to upload the file. So the file will show in that topic attachment. You can click on open to also preview or view the file, just as how it will show to the students. So you can go through the entire PowerPoint without actually installing any other Word or Office material on your machine. So it means that the student can access it even on any device, on their phone, any device at all. They can access the material that you upload. The student also will be able to ask questions while they're going through the questions. So the document, so you can just type any information. They can type any information, then click on send, and then it will send the information to the discussion room for just that particular course. So when you send it, you must see that it has been sent. You can even preview the state of your message by clicking on the chat. You see that your message is now part of the discussion room, and then you can reply to it if it has already been replied to or something. Continue the chats. Now let's try to upload something else. Audio. Let's upload a video. So I'll select the video file, attach some summary to it, just like the usual step. Click on upload. It's uploaded for me. Now I can click on the open to view the material. Yeah, so this is more of a health informatics video, and it's uploaded. The student can ask question while going through the video, and then the system will tag the question with the time at which the student asks the question, the time relative to the video itself. You can also check the status of your questions directly from the chat. But you can go to the discussion room as a tutor or as an admin. You can go to the discussion room of your course and then select the course as a room for the discussion. So as you can see, course rooms, you have to pick a course, and then in there you see all the questions or all the discussion that is going on. If you're a tutor, you can reply directly to any of the students' questions. As you can see, once please, is there a video to further explain this topic? I'll say yes, yeah, I just uploaded a video. You can check the attachment for the health informatics video. I can also go to the next question and then answer it. Please, what is the full meaning of EMR? I can also type my response. What happens that this is a discussion room, so even students, your colleagues, student or other student can reply to the questions directly. But then you are the only tutor who can contribute to the discussion, because you are the only person assigned to that course. So I can type my response and then send it, and then it will be visible to all the other students in the classroom or in the discussion room. So I can view other courses too as well.